Hello everyone, I'm George from TSS, and in today's video we'll be unboxing the TSS multi-point door handles lever movable pad with 92/62mm PZs, 215mm screw centers. Like all TSS multi-point door handles, these are supplied boxed with the individual components bagged inside to avoid any damage in transit. In the box you will receive your handle set and also an accessory pack. This pack contains 2 sets of fixings, one long and one short, 2 solid spindles and 2 removable spring cassettes. These particular handles are available in black, as you can see in the video, white, polished brass, polished chrome and silver. The polished chrome, polished brass and silver handles are all salt spray tested to 240 hours. All of the handles are cycle tested to 50,000 operations. I'm going to go over the handle measurements with you now. So the internal lever side, you have a backplate measurement of 247mm by 32mm. You have a PZ of 92mm, screw centers of 215mm. Your top screw to center of the spindle cutout is 75mm, and then the base of the euro to the middle of the bottom fixing is 23mm. Your external pad side, same backplate measurements and screw centers. You have a 62mm PZ with the top fixing to the center of the euro cutout is 105mm. Base of the euro to the center of the bottom fixing is also 23mm. Thank you for watching.